Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. In previous lecture we discussed gaseous exchange in plants. Now we will discuss about gaseous exchange in humans. Gaseous exchange in humans. In humans and other higher animals, for example buffaloes, sheep, goats, etc. Exchange of gases is occurred by the respiratory system. A system is present. This system is known as respiratory system, by which gaseous exchange is occurred. The respiratory system, we can divide it into two parts. First is the air passageway and second is lungs. The air passageway, first we will discuss about air passageway. The air passageway. Air passageway consists of parts through which air comes in lungs, and after exchange of gases it goes out. It means by which parts air of the environment enters to the lung or inhaled to the lungs, and after gaseous exchange gases goes out, exhale, and this way is known as air passageway. First part is nasal cavity. The nose encloses the nasal cavity. It opens to outside through openings known as nostrils. Nasal cavity is divided into two portions by a wall. Each portion has hairs and mucus that filter dust particles. Mucus also maintain temperature, warms the incoming air, keeps its temperature nearly equal to that of the body. It means 37 degrees centigrade. The nasal cavity opens into the pharynx by means of small openings called internal nostrils. Pharynx is muscular passage and it is common for food and air. Air goes from pharynx to the larynx, and pharynx extends to the opening of the esophagus and the larynx. Larynx is for air and esophagus for food. After the pharynx, these parts are here. Glottis is a narrow opening at the floor of pharynx which leads into the larynx. It is from pharynx to the larynx. At the start from floor of the pharynx and to the larynx, it is known as glottis, and a flap that cover the glottis known as flap tissue, it is known as epiglottis. Today we discussed gaseous exchange in human. It consists of respiratory system, two parts, air passageway and the lungs. The air passageway consists of parts through which air comes in lungs, and after exchange of gases it goes out. Parts, nasal cavity. Outside openings of nasal cavity are nostrils, divided into two parts by wall. The nasal cavity is divided into two parts. Each portion has hairs and mucus that filter dust particles. Mucus also maintain temperature of incoming air. Next is pharynx. Pharynx muscular passage common for food and air. Air goes from pharynx to the larynx. Glottis is narrow opening on the floor of pharynx, guarded by flap that is known as epiglottis. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Thanks.